Tired of spending hours editing videos? Well, in this video, we'll explore the power of InVideo AI, a revolutionary tool that simplifies video creation. So what exactly is InVideo AI? It's an innovative platform designed to make video editing easier and more efficient. With its advanced features, you can create stunning videos without any hassle. Let's dive into the key features of InVideo AI. First up, the template library. It offers a diverse range of templates for any occasion. Then there's the drag and drop editor, which makes the interface super easy to use. You can also add professional voiceovers with the AI voiceover feature. Plus, the text-to-video tool allows you to convert text into engaging videos effortlessly. And don't forget the extensive music library to enhance your creations. To wrap things up, let's recap. We've covered the main points about InVideo AI, including its key features like the template library, drag and drop editor, AI voiceover, text-to-video, and music library. So, why not give InVideo AI a try? And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Want to create professional-looking videos without the hassle? In this video, we'll dive deeper into advanced techniques using InVideo AI. Customizing templates is a great way to personalize your videos to match your brand. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use effects and animations to really enhance your videos. When you're ready to share, we'll explain the different export formats and sharing options available. And finally, we'll show you how to collaborate on projects with your team. To recap, we've covered some advanced techniques to elevate your video editing skills. Now, we encourage you to experiment with InVideo AI and share your amazing creations with the world. Confused about which video editing tool to choose? In this video, we'll compare CupCut and InVideo AI to help you decide. Let's start with CupCut. It's easy to use, mobile-friendly, and great for quick edits. However, it has fewer advanced features and a limited template library. Now, let's talk about InVideo AI. It boasts powerful features, an extensive template library, and AI-powered tools. On the downside, it has a steeper learning curve for advanced users. So based on your needs, we recommend choosing the tool that best fits your specific requirements. We encourage you to try both tools and share your experiences. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content and tips on video editing with InVideo AI. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the world of AI-powered video editing, bringing you the best techniques, comparisons, and tutorials. Your journey to mastering video editing starts here.